Looking to add a warm, decorative glow to your garden that looks beautiful both day and night? The LETMY solar sunflower lights are designed to turn any outdoor space into a cozy, eye-catching setup with almost zero effort. Right away, the biggest highlight is the realistic sunflower design. These lights use detailed petals and flexible stems, so they look like real flowers during the day and glow beautifully at night. Perfect for adding charm to gardens, pathways, or patios. Lighting performance is surprisingly strong for decor lights. Each set features multiple LED sunflower heads, creating a brighter and fuller glow compared to basic single light stakes. The solar-powered system makes everything effortless. Just place them in sunlight, and they automatically charge during the day and turn on at night. No wiring, no electricity cost, no hassle. Durability is another big plus. With an IP65 waterproof rating, these lights are built to handle rain, heat, and outdoor conditions year-round without constant maintenance. You also get flexible, bendable stems, so you can shape the flowers however you want to create a more natural or customized look in your yard or flower bed. Setup is as easy as it gets. Just stake them into the ground and switch them on. No tools, no installation time, just instant decoration. Now, the honest part. These are decorative lights, not floodlights. Brightness is meant for ambience rather than lighting up large areas, and performance depends on how much sunlight they receive during the day. Overall, this is a beautiful, low-maintenance garden decor upgrade that adds color, light, and personality to any outdoor space, especially great as a thoughtful gift. Click the link below for the best price.